Hello, this is a nice evening in Kyoto, and I'd like you to show this plant. So this is, well, quite prickly one, so cultivated for ornamental and also for fencing properties. So if you see, you can find that is kind of similar to normal like evergreen plants like boxwood. However, if you come closer, you see some strange anomalies in the structure of the stems. So first of all, if you look on stem, and you might find it's covered with like more or less normal leaves. However, some leaves, like this one, have flowers on them. So if you come closer, you can see that flowers are located exactly on these leaf-like organs. You also can note that there are some strange brown scales all around these leafy organs. So the plant is unique in multiple ways. It calls Ruscus, R-U-S-C-U-S, or witch's broom, and is, well, one of the most famous examples of modification of organs in botany. So you can find that plant pictures in almost every botanical textbook. So what's going on? That plant completely lose photosynthetic green leaves, but instead of leaves, stems start to be leaf-like, and they do photosynthesis and also do typical stem duties. So for example, they will bear flowers and later quite attractive red fruits. So this is interesting adaptation, and explanations are typically that, well, plants lose their leaves because want to save the water. The leaves will evaporate plenty of water. But then you see the plant developed leaf-like organs back again, and this is very strange. Why that kind of to and fro evolution happened? You can explain that in a way that, of course, some ancestrals of this plant, of Ruscus, this typical plant of Mediterranean region. So some ancestors of that plant probably first adapted to very dry climate and then readapted to some more wet climate by developing like leaf-like organs from stems. And it's very well known that evolution is hardly reversible. So if you lose leaves, like convert them in as non-photosynthetic brown scales, then you don't have an option to return them back again. However, does not explain to me the full sense of it. So why you develop these leaves again in a way of saving water? So that may be another explanation. Stems typically have much less openings, much less stomata than leaves. So idea is that stems probably have less evaporation than leaves, and then you can reduce leaves and replace them with stems still have lots of photosynthesis because the photosynthetic surface is quite high, but in that case you will have much less evaporation simply because the stem tissue is not supplied with so many stomata like in leaf tissue. So that's another idea which will probably allow you to think that with the drying of climate there was kind of reducing of leaves and replacing them with stem-like organs. By the way, this leaf-like stem developed organs called cladodes. So cladodes is a term which you might learn from that video. So this is the witch's broom or Ruscus in Kyoto. Today is April 18th. Thank you.